Shadows in the light, smoke and fire in the air, freedom screaming everywhere. Roots friendly but the rage is there. Two worlds crash when I appear. Heartbeat tribal, electric soul, lose control, let it roll. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living wild inside the dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant the seed. We rise together, no disguise. Light from the ashes we ignite. Drummers, I feel it shake. Every move is give and take. Steel and wood in collision sound. Rebel spirit all around. Skank step mixed with rage inside. No more places left to hide. Ancestors in the modern noise. We are the fire, we are the voice. Hands to sky, ground to flame. Nothing here will stay the same. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living wild inside the dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant the seed. We rise together, no disguise. From the ashes we ignite. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, earth collide, ancient power amplified. Skanky low, smash it high. Feel the storm inside your mind. Hey! This is jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ancient, future, one sound. Feel the ground wake up. Fly. rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Streetlights flicker, spirits dance, lost inside a violent trance. Bassline crawling through the pain, like survival in the rain. Every drum hit shakes the wall, echoes of our primal call. From the roots beneath the ground, we become the sacred sound. Hear it echo in your chest. Nothing here will ever rest. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up, break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. Fight. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Listen. The ground is breathing. Shaking this broken land. Hear the Djembe call my name, like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside, like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Hey, fire beneath the skin. Let the tribal war begin. No more losing, no more sin. Feel it rise within. Break it down. Let the earth shake loud. Break it down. We are one, we are proud. Break it down. Let the earth shake loud. We are one, we are proud. Concrete jungle, iron skies. Still the rhythm never dies. In the chaos, in the fear, ancestors are always near. Every beat against my chest feels like I was born for this test. No more running from the sound. I let the spirit drag me down. From the dust we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain. Hear the calling in my soul, taking back what I was told. Hey, fire beneath the skin. Feel the power creeping in. Hey, let the darkness spin. This is where I win. Break it down. Let the drums take flight. Break it down. Into blood red night. Break it down. Let the drums straight flight. Into blood red night. No chains, no control. We are more than just a soul. From the fire we are made. Never fall, never fade. Fire beneath the skin. This is where we begin. Let the spirit win. We rise again. Break it down. Let the world collide. Break it down. We survive inside. The fire still lives. Yeah. The fire still lives. Wait, wait. underground, ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Gangsta broken on crack concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Skyscrapers bleed electric light, but the drum still owns the night. Every strike is a prayer in flame, calling freedom without a name. Guitar bends like a burning sky, bassline roars like a battle cry. From the roots to the iron air, we rise up from everywhere. Hear the rhythm in your bones. We are more than flesh and stone. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. revolution, thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Skank step broken on cracked concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Skyscrapers bleed electric light, but the drum still owns the night. Every strike is a prayer in flame, calling freedom without a name. Guitar bends like a burning sky, bassline roars like a battle cry. From the roots to the iron air, we rise up from everywhere. Hear the rhythm in your bones. We are more than flesh and stone. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Break the wall, feel the call. Earth and steel collide and fall. We are the fire in the dirt, sound of liberation birth. Feel it rise under my skin. The drums of war are burning in. No control, no fear inside, just rhythm that we cannot hide. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, shattering the same old dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. I walk through ashes, I walk through steel. Every scar reminds me I feel. City screams but the drum replies like a thunder buried in the sky. Broken systems, broken minds, still the rhythm never dies. Reggae swing in a war machine. We are still and sacred.